Dear viewers, this video presents a 3D CNC bending machine for processing wire with a diameter of 2 to 6 millimeters from ElectroTorg Machinery Company. We have repeatedly created videos with our machines for bending wire and fittings. This video will be an addition to previously released videos. Technically, this machine is made with a backlash-free broaching unit with pneumatic clamping of the broaching unit. Also, this machine is designed with the ability to automatically change the radius of wire rolling. For this purpose, a special mechanism is installed that sets one of the possible 4 radii of the matrix for rolling the wire. The most important addition to this machine was the ability to work with graphical simulation, the ability to work with algorithms in the program, the so-called smart wire springing, as well as work with DXF files. This functionality will be discussed in more detail in a separate video. With our 3D CNC bending machines, you get reliable and productive wire processing equipment to help you increase your production efficiency. Don't miss the opportunity to improve your production using our equipment. Advantages of 3D bending machine. Productivity. With a total power of 10 kilowatt-hours, our machines are ready to handle the most demanding tasks. Reliability and load capacity. The ability to withstand up to 650 kilos of wire makes our machines reliable and durable. Powerful servo motors. 3 servo motors with 4.3 kW and 2 kW power provide precise and efficient control. Long service life, hardened cutting and rubbing surfaces, as well as punch dies made of tool steel, guarantee a long service life. Planetary gearboxes, low backlash. Planetary gearboxes provide reliable and smooth movement, flexibility of customization, a double-row straightening block with height adjustment and 360-degree rotation allows you to create unique geometric shapes. Modern control. The machine is equipped with CNC control from ElectroTorg with the ability to update software. Compactness and warranty. Compact dimensions, 3x 1.8x 1.1 mm, save space in the production workshop, and a 1-year warranty on the equipment emphasizes its reliability. Saving time and resources. With our machine, you can save time on production and reduce metal costs. Weight. The machine weighs 1.1 tons, which ensures stability and reliability during operation. The wire drawing speed reaches up to 75 meters per minute, which increases the productivity and efficiency of the process. Anti-torsion wire twisting unit. The built-in anti-torsion wire twisting unit ensures the accuracy and quality of bending, reducing possible distortions. Graphical simulation. Graphical simulation capability allows you to visually preview and verify the wire bending process. DXF support. DXF compatible makes it easy to import and export design data for convenient operation. Parallel operation of motors and components. High coordination and parallel operation of motors and components ensure high accuracy and speed of processing. Internet access. Additional functionality of providing access via the internet allows you to monitor and control the machine remotely, which improves production management. Thank you for your attention. We will be happy to answer your questions in the comments or via the contacts provided.